John 16:38 says this, I have told you these things so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble. We will have trouble in this world. You see, when we become born again, we think that life is going to be always awesome. Although for a season you have a honeymoon. But it's not. The scripture never promises us that there will be no trouble. As a matter of fact, when you become a Christian, the chances for us to be persecuted are way higher. The scripture says that anyone who wants to live a godly life will be what? Persecuted. In different ways. Not like in Islam countries, but in different ways. There is no chance for those who want to live a godly life that they will not be persecuted in any way. And God allows that. He says this, the next part of the verse. But take heart. Take courage. I have overcome the world. I have overcome the world. It is not you or me or him or Jesus has overcome the world and its struggles. And in Him we can overcome too. Not in me, in Him. Because He has done it for us. He has become a curse so that we can be a blessing. He became something weak so that we can find strength in Him. And that is Jesus Christ, our rock and our foundation. So God has already overcome the struggles that the world may come against us. That in the midst of our turmoil, He is with us. Setting us apart for His mission. Because as He has overcome, so we can overcome with Him, in Him. And then share that with others. See, Christianity is way too powerful to keep it only for ourselves. It is for others too. Not for you and me only. It is for your neighbors, for your family members, for whoever, your people in your work that you work. It is for everyone. It is way too powerful to only be contained in these bodies. It has to overspill and overflow to your neighbors. That cup overflows always in God.